And on this Friday, June 5th, 2026 edition of Newsmakers, the FDA is moving forward with a safety review of the abortion pill mifepristone. According to an administration official, the analysis is likely to take 6 months to complete, but initial results could be released earlier. Updates on the review come as the White House faces pressure from pro-life lawmakers and activists who want the FDA to revoke Biden-era rules that allows mifepristone to be ordered through the mail and prescribed by telehealth. Findings from the review could pave the way for the Trump administration to restrict the use of the drug and how it can be distributed. A Catholic diocese in Illinois is appealing a court ruling over a state employment law it says violates religious freedom protections. Alliance Defending Freedom filed an appeal this week with the U.S. Court of Appeals for the 7th Circuit on behalf of the Diocese of Springfield and the Pregnancy Care Center of Rockford. The groups argue the Illinois Human Rights Act could force them to hire employees whose views conflict with their religious and pro-life missions. Church leaders say the law interferes with their ability to require employees to uphold Catholic teachings. The groups originally sued the state in 2025, but a federal district court dismissed the case in March after finding they lack standing. A new report is warning that religious freedom protections in Mexico often go unenforced despite constitutional safeguards. Christian Solidarity Worldwide says it documented more than 130 serious violations involving discrimination, violence, displacement, and worship restrictions. The findings show abuses are carried out by both organized criminal groups and indigenous communities that pressure residents to follow majority religious practices. Researchers argue weak enforcement of existing laws has allowed the violations to continue. Southern Bapists will gather for their annual meeting on Tuesday in Orlando, Florida, and Walter Ratliff reports for the 4th year in a row they'll debate whether to formally ban churches with a woman in any role resembling that of pastor.
The convention has ousted churches in recent years that appointed women to top pastoral positions or asserted the right to do so. But the status of churches with women assistant pastors is still debated. Officials for the nation's largest Protestant denomination say more than 11,000 church representatives have registered for next week's two-day meeting in Orlando. The meeting follows the release of internal statistics showing a nearly 2-decade-long decline in membership. Southern Baptist membership is down to 12.3 million, the lowest since 1973. I'm Walter Ratliff.
And that's Newsmakers for this Friday, June 5th, 2026 edition. I'm Keith Black.